Hi, it's StevieB. I'm at Nevis Range near Fort William, here for the day-night Enduro. It's Saturday 9th of November 2024. Going to do 3 videos. There's 3 stages for this race. You do 3 in the daylight between 12 and 4, and 3 in the dark between 4 and 8. So I'm going to do 1 video for each stage containing the day ride, or 1 section of the day and 1 section of the night. So enjoy. I just put that caveat in. Cheers, fella.
Have fun.
Okay, stage 1. Done this this morning. Not quite flowy, so I can't get the flow obviously. But with only doing it once, I don't really know it. But it'd have fun. Nothing too major from what I remember, so should be pretty fair sailing. I need to work on my fitness though. So knackered doing this kind of stuff. Oh. Over the edge. It'll be fun doing these in the dark. Front wheel slippage there. Pedal strike. Rubbishy doubles. I do. Stuffy. Cheers. So stage 1, I've lost a light, so I've just got the bar light. This is going to be fucking hilarious. Can't see around corners because I'm trying to turn the wheel to go the other way before I get to the corner. I want to point light in the wrong direction, but that's what I've got. That's all I've got to go with. So oh, it's going to be interesting. Oh shit.